What's going on? What's going on? Back again, and I do appreciate you guys. Welcome to Paralegal Business Owner with myself, Neil, and we're going to talk about another aspect of the paralegal slash legal document preparation business. Okay, and if you are looking to be an independent legal document preparer or a paralegal business owner, then you have to understand that you are going to be taking on a second job. All right. You're going to be taking on a second job. And let's talk about it. All right. So if you decide to go into this business and you're going to be dealing with people directly, understand you are going to be a quasi therapist. Okay. Not a licensed therapist. I'm not saying that or anything, but essentially, a lot of your job or a lot of your business is going to be listening to your customers nag and complain about their life. Okay. Now, I know what you're thinking. Like, I didn't get into this business to hear people complain and blah, 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 blah. I'm ready to get to work. I want to do some legal work. Well, slow down. Okay. Before people get to the point where they want to spend money with you, and before they get to the point where they're ready to move forward, they have to tell you their problem. And unfortunately, people are just not direct like that. All right. They're not just going to say, hey, I need you to do this. No, they're going to tell you they're going to literally tell you what's going on. Your customers are people dealing with legal problems, attorneys as well. Attorneys are going to call you nagging about their day in court, telling you what they need to do. You need to listen. All right. Let me make this very clear. All right. You are going to be their quasi therapist. You're going to be the therapist. That's part of your job. People are going to call you, nag, complain about the judge, about what's going on. They're getting evicted, all this crap. You need to listen. All right. When you give people an ear and let them nag, they're going to feel more comfortable. I love when people nag to me. I love when they call my phone with their problems. I'm listening to everything. Oh man, that's crazy. They giving me all the tea. Listen, hear them out, because a lot of times your customers, they just need somebody to talk to before you even get down to the document preparation and all of that. A lot of times they just need somebody to talk to. And the fact that you listen to them when they're done nagging and complaining, they're ready to spend their money. And they're like, oh, this person actually heard me out. Okay, now it's time to get to the business, ma'am. How can we help? What do we need to do for you today? All right. So it's okay. Let them nag, let them complain, because a lot of times they're calling you because the attorneys are not listening to them, nag and complain. They need somebody to vent. Now, of course, you might have somebody vent and you don't close the sale. That's fine. That's cool. All right. Let people do that. Let them confide in you. Let them get comfortable with you. All right. When people call your phone, don't even talk about money or anything. Say, hey, how can we help? What's the problem you're having? Let them nag. Let them tell you about their day. Let them tell you about their sister running off with the property. Let them tell you about let them tell you about their marriage going sour. Hear them out, because one, it's going to help you get a better understanding of how to serve them. But two, once again, people, when they feel comfortable, then they're going to be ready to spend. All right. Whether they're lawyers getting the paralegal service, whether they're citizens getting legal document preparation service, be the therapist and be on their side too. You know what I'm saying? Clock the T with them. Oh yeah, yep. Oh man, that's crazy. They did what? Wow, I can't believe they did that. You gotta ride it with them. Let them know you here for them. All right, now you're not a real therapist, of course, but this is how you get people to be comfortable with you. It's so hard for people to find a listening ear nowadays. And you'll be surprised how much people are be begging you to take their money just because you heard their problems. All right. They don't even know if you can do the task or not. They just ready to spend because you listened. All right. And so a large part of this business is hearing out your customers. All right. And so now, of course, there's a limit now. Okay. So when people call my phone, or new customers or whatever, you get 15 minutes. I might even give you 20 minutes. All right. I might let them go off. I'll just put the phone down and continue working and let them just get it all out. I'm listening in the background. Yep. Oh man, that's crazy. Hey, they did what? The judge? Oh, wow, the judge said that? Man, they did you wrong. All right? Be invested in these people because they're being invested in you. All right? Don't look at people as just money signs, dollar signs. Okay? Hear them out because that's going to get them. That's going to get you the that's going to get you the revenue anyway. Just being human. All right? These are people who have real problems, and unfortunately, in this technological world, it's hard to find another human to hear them out. You call these companies, you got AI picking up, or you got somebody overseas or somebody. No, people want to be able to talk to somebody about their problems, hear them out. All right, and so that is going to be another aspect of your job. Don't get frustrated. I mean, sometimes you might get frustrated. If you do get frustrated, just put the phone down or let them vent. Let them get it out. All right, because this is how you're going to build great clientele. People love to spend money with people who they just want to feel important. All right, they just want to feel important. So yes, being a therapist or quasi therapist, right, will be part of your job description if you're serious about getting into this business. All right, and hear them out. Like the people, my top people who deal with me, I'll let them vent for an hour. If you got people, then if you start getting repeat business and these customers are really spending and patronizing your business, let them go off for longer. They didn't pay for it. They didn't pay for it. Don't forget, these people are putting money in your pocket. They're helping you advance to your goals and further your life and helping your business. So if they really start spending with you, let them get it all out and listen. You know what I mean? Just let them get it all out. That's part of your job. And, it should be called paralegal/therapy business owner. But once again, I'm not talking about licensed therapy or anything like that. I'm just saying people are going to call you and they're going to be crying a lot. Hear them out, listen, and I promise you that it will be a good thing that you decided to hear people out, okay, and let them vent. And it will be better for your business. All right. Now, once again, there's a limit to this. Don't let people just go off forever now, especially if they're brand new and they never, they never purchased. But be reasonable. Let people get their shit off. Sorry for cursing, but it is what it is. And they will be comfortable with you, and then they'll be ready to, get down to business when they see that you're actually listening. All right. So with that being said, I do appreciate you guys coming through. This is Paralegal Business Owner with Neil. Make sure you check out paralegalbusinessowner.com to learn how to start and run your own paralegal and legal document preparation business, and to also check out the free training. It's a part 1 and a part 2. I will see you guys there, and I will see you on the next one. Peace. Thank you for stopping by.